Hello, my dear future chartered accountants. This is CHN Mahegde, your learning partner for the final FR and SF. This video is to give you information about the exam planner, exam haste, CA final test series. As you know, we have done a CA final RPL exam haste for CA final about a month back. And now we are going to have IPCC as well the coming month. Actually, we are starting in few. Uh, that is about classes. This exam is to provide you the feel of examination verification, both conducting the exam and then verifying your answers. So quite a few queries have come in this regard. So I would like to give you some clarification on those. This will be a full-fledged examination planner for you. It is not just a mock exams. It is going to be conducted in a series of steps. So we will be preparing the questions on chapter wise, maybe a couple of chapter wise. We will be announcing you the dates before which you have to prepare yourself and then write the examination. You may ask, sir, you have done the classes. What is the specialty of these examinations? Will these exam questions be coming in examination in the coming exams, or will these are part of or taken from previous year RTP question, previous year question papers, previous year mock test papers, and so on? Before I address all those questions, first let me tell you how many hours of practice a batsman can do in net. Only the match practice can give him the confidence. Same bat, same ball, same batsman, same technique. Still, the pressure in which you play the match is different from what you play in the test. Correct? Just to tell you why people do fail in examination in spite of doing well in classes. I'll tell you one simple technique. I keep telling this in my regular classes, still I'll repeat this once more. In class, when I teach, we say, okay, today let's talk about call option. When you open the book, you say, okay, today let me read about company audit. So before even reading, you have that mindset, what I'm going to do. Even if you take a previous year question paper like practice manual and solve, before you solve, you know which topic you're going to do, which is preset in your mind. Examination, suddenly a paper will come in front of you. You have no idea where it is coming from. Correct? Why? Because it does not have any reference point. No heading, no topic heading, no chapter name, no page number, nothing. Everything is fresh. People get lost. People get frightened at that moment. Examination is about pressure handling. When random thing comes, how do you do it? That is what is examination practice is all about. And how do you gain that confidence? Only by writing more, more, more exams. To give you my own examination. As you know, I have a rank, I'm a rank holder in all the three levels of CE. If you ask me, what is the one thing which contributed towards this kind of results, I would say it's about examination practice. I have written most number of exams in my intermediate level, so I got third rank. Little less in my foundation level, I got 13th rank. Little less in final level, I got 39th rank. Had I write more number of exams, I'm just telling you, maybe my performance would have been even more better. The examination practice is the key, is what my interaction with many successful students also after I came to the teaching career. You understand? To put it in very simple words, the way you understand, you should write enough number of exams You should write enough number of exams to have confidence in exams. Sir, what you're telling? Okay. If you don't practice well before exams, your exams becomes your practice. If you don't give enough time to the exam, institute will give you enough time for you to prepare. This is sufficient. If you don't practice for exams, exams becomes your practice. Okay. So writing the exam after so many attempts, people pass 5th attempt, 15th attempt, 20th attempt. Why? Because they have got experience in exams. Why do you go to exam hall to get the experience? Write it here. This is what I wanted to bring the play. Okay. So what you are going to do, how the process is going to be done. FRSFM, I am handling it. Law is done by the law expert, I would say. You have to attend his classes to have that experience in law. I don't want to tell it. Punarvas Jaykumar. Audit is by young faculty. Ravikiran Balla. Prasanna Kumar, the costing Badshah, is going to conduct the SCMP paper for you. The most experienced Durgesh sir will handle the taxation part, and the dynamic star, I would say, CMA Tarun Raj on indirect tax. So all the people who are fully into teaching, serious about teaching, serious about your future, have come up with this plan. Now, when we offer and you don't accept, who is the loser? Think about it. The whole intention of this exercise is to make you prepare for examination in a logically structured manner. Sir, what is logically structured manner? Here it is. Okay, here only I'll give you. You will be writing the exam on, you see that the bottom, group wise also you can take, multiple, both the groups also you can take. Your revision exams chapter wise, revision exams grand, mock test, total test. So we will be announcing that these 3 chapters will be there in the 2 days later exams. You read those 3 chapters and come and take those exams. Example I'll give you. Let's say on 23rd July, FR, you will have 30 marks question. On Ind AS 2, Ind AS 16, Ind AS 23, Ind AS 36, integrate reporting. I hope you know the Ind AS, all these things. Ind AS 2, valuation of inventory, valuation of fixed assets, borrowing cost, and so on. SFM for these 2 chapters, audit these 3 chapters, law these chapters, put together 30 marks each. So totally you will have 30, 30, 30, 30, 120. So we are giving 3 hours 30 minutes. On 23rd, then 26th, then 29th. That is your revision exams, RE. Then remaining chapters for group 2. Like this will be giving in a scheduled manner. You read those chapters, take the test. Sir, after writing the test, what do you get? You have 2 choices available. I would prefer the choices where evaluations will be done by us. So what are the service available? Evaluations will be done by us. Self-evaluation is also possible, where premium service will be there, where you send it to us, the signed answer sheets. We will value it and we'll give it to you. Sir, will you be valuing all the papers? No, I will not be valuing 100% of the papers, but definitely it will be under my guidance. I will give the answer keys, I will oversee it, I will review it. I will not go through individual one paper, but I will go through it. I will tell you the process, how to write an answer. I will share the answer keys. I will give you the guidance, and I'll also identify some mistakes after going through the your papers overall. Based on feedback, I will share the feedback where what can be done to improve your answers. So I will be setting the papers, all these tests chapter wise, then overall mock test, and then you are having the revision test. What else? You have revision test, and you also have cumulative. What is cumulative? After every one chapter, you want one overall. That is cumulative. Then you need one examination, pure examination. We have mock test. Now, all these things will be free. Definitely no, because you're getting so much of value. We also need to have our own expenses covered. So this will have expenses. This will have cost. Not heavy cost. You can see if it is self-evaluation, so much. If you want premium, so much. uh, how the test series will be provided. It will be through a encrypted form. A software will be there where you can get it through that. And how papers are prepared, I told you who is preparing the prepares, who are preparing the question papers. So this is what I would like to share it with you. For more details, Telegram channel, you can go to CA Final Revision Premier League, and if you want to get more details, you can WhatsApp this number which is available. If you go to the Telegram, all the details, schedules are all completely available. And one important question comes: what is the source of your questions? It will be, sir, will you create all 100% on your own? No. If you write my questions, you pass in my exam, but will you pass CA Institute exam? So for you to pass CA Institute exams, the source also should be CA Institute materials. So I will be using revision test papers, I will be using mock test papers, I will be using previous year question paper, and I would have add my own questions which are important for exams. And I don't know how many people know it or not. I keep having mock exams based on past pattern analysis. Pattern analysis wise, I'll prepare the mock exam question paper. I will say predictive question paper based on pattern analysis. You speak to the students of your juniors, or not, not juniors, your seniors who would have taken those mock tests, and see how much question those comes in exams. So I will look at previous question paper, which topic, what is the pattern, so what topic is likely to come. That's how I would like to do my stock analysis in stock market. Similar thing I will do it in question paper also. So will it hold good? Does it hold good? You ask your seniors, they will tell you how far it is effective. If I give you 100 marks paper, 10 marks comes, that is sufficient to be difference between 190 and 200, and 390 and 400, and 40 and anyway. So I will be including all possible materials, but what is important for you, don't worry about the source of it, worry about the examination experience. That counts, that matters. If you don't have enough exam experience, I told you, exam after exam after exam, CA full form will come again for you. I wish my students not to follow that process, have the examination practice. It is what we are providing it. With all these efforts are best rewarded when you use it and you pass the examination with flying colors. I hope you make use of this opportunity which is created exclusively for you people. Okay, so all the best for examination. Do well, happy reading, and see you soon, maybe as a colleague once you clear your examination. See you. Bye.